Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Instagram if it's not letting you change your profile picture. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up the Instagram app here and tap on the profile icon at the very bottom right, and then tap Edit Profile. Now here you can see the ability to change profile photo at the very top. Now, if it's for some reason not working for you, it's giving you some kind of errors or issues and it's just not working, what you can do is make sure that that photo that you're adding, either from your library or from anything else, make sure that that is not an inappropriate photo. So Instagram will automatically detect if it views that it's nudity or something that's inappropriate, and it will automatically not let you upload that new photo. So once you tap Change Profile Photo here, you have the ability to remove the current photo, import from Facebook, take a photo, or choose from library. So you can just choose from library, and here you can scroll through all sorts of different things and choose different photos that you want to choose, all of that stuff. And if that is not working, you're not able to go through this process and save, the next step is to offload the app and reinstall it. That usually clears up any kind of bugs or glitches in the app. So let's hop out of here and open up our settings, and then scroll down until we get to General, and then iPhone storage. Now from here, we'll wait until that Instagram app loads. We'll find that Instagram app here, and we'll just offload it and reinstall it. This doesn't log you out. This doesn't remove any of your DMs or your drafts, but it does help to force update Instagram to the latest version and kind of takes care of any glitches or bugs that might be in the app itself. So once that's done reinstalling, we can go back in there and tap on our profile, and you should be able to go in and edit your profile and change your profile. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.